If you're tired of looking dull and just want a routine that you can stick with or that's even budget friendly, then you're about to love this video. Because let's be honest, we all like something that's simple, that's easy to stick with, and that's budget friendly, just so that we can stick with it for a long time. So here are my 20 favorite beauty tips for you lovely girlies so that you can enhance your beauty. I'm also going to be explaining it from a doctor's point of view, how you can leave your skin looking luminous. So let's jump into it. So number one is to find a good cleanser. So I would say stay away from foam cleansers, just because in the long run it will strip off the natural oils in your skin, because it contains some surfactants which are very harsh for the skin and leaving it severely dry. That's why for my dry skin girlies, I would definitely recommend using a gel cleanser, just so that you can keep the moisture locked into your skin and it doesn't dry or irritate it. Number two, one of the best ingredients for your body's largest organ, which is the skin, is vitamin C. So this vitamin is essential for the body's natural ability to produce collagen and elastin. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, so it soaks up those free radicals and those toxins that are found in the environment, which then lead to premature aging, fine lines and wrinkles, and dark spots. And it also has protective properties against UV radiation, so it's an all-round win-win. So make sure you're incorporating a vitamin C into your daily routine, whether that's topical or ingesting it as a supplement. I would say do both. So the first thing that you're going to do for vitamin C is buy it, duh. And then the second thing that you're going to do is don't just directly wear it and then go into the sunlight, because it is unstable in the sun and you just want it to sit into your skin before going outside, because it can make your skin sun sensitive, leading to irritation. So I would say either do it in the nighttime, or you want to do it in the morning but before you go outside or before you do anything. So leave it to sit on your skin for at least 30 minutes, half an hour before going directly out into the sunshine. I would definitely pair vitamin C with number three, and that is retinol. So combine them together, but don't use them at the same time. So if you're using retinol, make sure you're using vitamin C maybe like 30 minutes to an hour before, just because the pHs in them are different. So retinol requires a higher pH, whereas the skin requires a lower pH for the vitamin C to set into it. So if you want the best results, definitely combine them together into your beauty regimen, so that you can get the best results and that glowy skin and that just glass skin, a luminous look. I know some people use vitamin C in the morning and retinol at nighttime. What I like to do is I use vitamin C, I cleanse my face, then I use vitamin C, then I wait like maybe an hour, and then I put retinol onto my face in the evening. So that's kind of my routine. So you can do whatever works for you. Just make sure that you stick with it. Number four is adding vitamin E into your beauty regime. So this you can also pair with vitamin C. So when you put on the vitamin C, you can put on the vitamin E, a thin layer of it, just because it helps to stabilize it and just boost its effectiveness. Or you can use it to increase the moisture around the nail bed. So what I like to do is apply it right here, and it increases the moisture. It locks it in because it's a soluble nutrient. So it helps to hydrate the nail beds, lock in that moisture, and it's just really good for your nails. My nails are so nice and soft now. Before, they used to be really hard. I used to have hard skin around my nails, and now I don't have much of that. And it's also an antioxidant, just like vitamin C, so it protects you from free radicals. Number five is amla for hair. I think this is like a South Asian secret, or not even a secret because everyone knows about it, but amla is so good for your hair. It locks in that moisture, it helps it stay nice and shiny and healthy, and it also protects your hair from free radicals. So what you can do if you want to be lazy, the day before, you know you're going to wash your hair and have a shower in the morning, you're going to put it on the night before, and you can leave it on overnight. I used to do this when I was younger. Just now I just don't do it. I don't know why I should do it, because my hair was so nice and luscious when I was young. But you can put it on overnight. You can do a plait in your hair, do a braid, and then put like a cloth on your pillowcase or something that you don't use. Or you can just put a towel on your pillowcase so that obviously the pillow doesn't get dirty or your bed doesn't get dirty. So you do that and then you wash it in the morning. That is like the best thing that you can do. Or if you don't have that much time, then you're gonna wake up a bit earlier, you're gonna put it in your hair as soon as you wake up, then you're gonna brush your teeth, go make breakfast, go do your thing for at least half an hour, and then jump into the shower and wash your hair. So that will give you amazing results. And trust me, amla is so nice for the hair, and trust me, it will make such a big difference, and you'll reap all the benefits of it if you do this. Even if you can't do it that often, try it at least once every 2 weeks, you will really feel the difference. So that brings me to number 6, and that is rosemary oil. So rosemary oil, I usually apply this when I'm applying the amla oil. So I apply a few drops in the scalp, and then I have amla on the rest of my hair, and then I just massage it in. Usually I tip my head over and then I massage my hair for a good like 5-10 minutes, and that just helps the blood flow going. So pair these together and trust me, you'll reap all the benefits for your hair. I have damaged my hair so much in the past. I've bleached it like every color under the sun, blue, pink, purple, whatever it is, red, you name it. I have literally dyed my hair every single color. So my hair was very damaged, and thank God for these treatments. It just really saved my hair, and it's still looking silky and healthy, thank God. And don't tell me that this is too much effort, because you can do this once every 2 weeks, okay? Number 7 is that moisturize the whole body. So find a good body lotion or find baby oil. I love using baby oil on my skin just to keep it nice and moisturized and soft. We all love soft baby skin. So your skin needs nourishing agents to help it replace those dead skin cells to form new ones and just to glow. So by washing it and moisturizing it regularly, you can reduce the amount of blemishes on your body, and it will just help your skin look more plump. So to reduce the appearance of aging skin on your body, on your neck, on your hands, then definitely moisturize daily. So number 8 is a spice that you're going to find definitely in your cupboard, and if you don't have it, you better grab it, because it has so many amazing properties and benefits to it, whether you add it to cooking, whether you add it to a face mask. So we're going to talk about the face mask. It has so many benefits to it, as I mentioned before: antifungal, antibacterial, antioxidant, antimicrobial, everything, anti-everything, okay? It's amazing. So definitely try the turmeric face mask. You can easily make this at home with all the ingredients in your kitchen. Add 1 tablespoon of besan. This is chickpea flour. Add a pinch of turmeric, literally just a pinch, because you don't want to be leaving left looking yellow like a Simpson. So just a pinch of turmeric, maybe a quarter or an eighth of a teaspoon. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey, and then a half tablespoon of yogurt or milk, whichever one you have in the pantry. And then you're just going to mix it all together and apply it on your face. Leave it to set for 5 minutes. Check it's not staining on your face, because if it is, you added too much turmeric. Or 5 to 10 minutes, I would say, but just make sure you put a pinch of turmeric in it. All you need is a little pinch, and it will go a long way. Number 9 is that you better get that beauty sleep, because sleep is when your body is recovering, it's repairing its cells, and your skin's blood flow just increases, and it's rebuilding that collagen and also protecting your skin from any UV exposure. So if you're not getting enough beauty sleep, you will definitely look older than your age, which we do not want. Number 10 is to use a silk bonnet or even silk pillowcases. Now this will just help to lock in that moisture, prevent breakage, prevent it from frizzing out, and it will just keep your hair looking nice and shiny. And this will also save you from washing your hair every single day, because your hair will stay looking healthy and shiny. And talking about hair, this goes into a number 11, which is doing overnight curls. Now, if curls don't suit you, then just put your hair in a sleek bun. If it's like getting greasy or something like that, just so that you don't have to wash it all the time. Or if curls do suit you, then definitely try the overnight curls. You can even put it in that curling headband tool and clip it up, and then just wear the silk bonnet cap and then just fall asleep on it. Wake up and your hair is just going to be looking gorgeous. Definitely try this out and see how it goes, because you're not even applying any heat to it, so it's not really damaging your hair. So you can literally do this the day you've washed your hair, put it in a curling rod headband, clip it up, sleep on it, wake up the next morning, and you're going to have fabulous curls that will probably last you 2 to 3 days. So it will last you so much hassle in the morning doing your hair. You just take out the rod and that's it, you're good to go. Number 12 is always have moisturized lips. So you can just buy yourself that tin of Vaseline, the cocoa butter lip therapy one, I think it's called. That is amazing, and it's so cheap. Like, you girls have no excuse for having crusty lips, because nobody likes crusty lips. So we all love plump, glossy looking lips. So literally just put a bit of sugar on your lips to get rid of that dead skin. Bonus point, put some sugar on it. Acts as a lip scrub. Don't need to be buying these expensive lip scrubs. Just literally put some sugar on your lips, rub off that dead skin, or even like brush it lightly with your toothbrush if you want to, go all in. But with your finger, it's fine, because your lips are very delicate and you don't want to rip them. So put a bit of sugar on your lips, exfoliate them, and then put some Vaseline on and keep them moisturized. Number 13. Now, if you're extremely, extremely lazy and you don't want to be buying amla oil for your hair or vitamin E oil for your cuticles, then you can just try this, which is buying a big tub of coconut oil. This literally does wonders for everything. You can use it on your hair and it helps to lock in that moisture. It helps relieve inflammation. It's for wound healing, and it also treats acne. So you can apply this everywhere. You can apply it on your skin as the body oil, which we mentioned before. Literally get yourself a big tub of coconut oil and you can use it for everything. You can use it for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, same around the cuticles to lock in that moisture. You can use it for, again, wound healing. You can use this for literally everything. You can use it for oil pulling, whatever you want to use it for. Coconut oil is the one. So if you want to buy one thing, get the big tub of coconut oil. Number 14, now I'm sure every single person that I'm talking to right now has this in their home. I mentioned it before for the lips, but Vaseline, you can literally use it all over your skin. You can use it for slugging. Just use a thin layer. No need to slather it all over your face looking all crazy. Just a thin layer will go a long way. You can even use it as an eye moisturizer and for your lips as well to prevent them from chapping. Vaseline is literally bomb. It's like the best skin product that you could ever buy, and it's cheap. It is so cheap. It hasn't changed its price in a very long time, and it's just amazing. So if you do anything, get yourself a tub of coconut oil and a Vaseline tub. Number 15 is SPF. So this I find so hard to stick with, but this is so good for your skin to protect it from UV radiation and just to prevent that premature aging, because I know when I don't use my SPF, I be getting like those little spots like freckles on my face, and I get so much, not as much as my sister does because her whole face gets covered in freckles in the sun. So definitely not as much as her, but I defo do get freckles on my face a lot in the summer. So I need to keep up with this, but I just find it so hard. But it's really important to find yourself a good SPF. And no, the one in your foundation does not count. I always think that, oh, I've got a bit of SPF in my foundation, it counts. No, it doesn't, okay? Don't be like me and learn from my mistakes, okay? Buy a separate SPF and put it under your skin before applying your foundation and all of the rest of the good stuff. Number 16 is arranging your skincare or your makeup products the night before you're gonna do it. So if you are gonna wake up in the morning and you're gonna apply the oil to your hair, make sure you put it near your bedside or put it near where you make coffee or whatever, so it's right there so you remember to do it. Same with like your SPF or your nighttime routine that you're going to do for your skin, like the retinol and the vitamin C. Just put it right there so that you always remember, and it's easily accessible so that you don't have to go and find the beauty products, or you don't have to go down your drawer or something like that. It's right there. So if it's like near your bedstand or something like that, you can literally put it on right before you go to bed. So if you fail to prepare, then prepare to fail. So we're not going to be preparing to fail because we're going to be winning here, and we're going to make sure that we're putting in the steps that are required to make it as easy for us as possible so that we succeed, so that we have that glowy skin, we have that nice hair, and everything is on point. Number 17, I know you guys were waiting for me to say this, and that is water. The average percentage of the human body that is made up of water is 60%. 60%, guys. So make sure you are drinking enough water, making sure that you are staying hydrated throughout the day, just so that your skin doesn't lose its elasticity and it stays looking radiant, because you don't want dull, dry, crusty skin, okay? It's not nice, it's not attractive. So go start chugging that water. If you have trouble chugging down water, just mix it up with some fruits, with some lemon, with some mint. Just make it taste nice so that you can actually drink it, okay? Before, I even used to mix it with squash because I was literally like a baby that would not drink water. I hated the taste of water, but now I'm fine. I can drink water now. Thank God I've grown up. But before, literally just a couple of years ago, I could not drink water to save my life. So I had to buy squash so that I can mix it with my water so that I can drink as much water as possible. So find a way just to get that water in, because you want your skin looking glowy, looking radiant, and just looking gorgeous. Number 18, if you have any type of skin condition or any type of inflammatory condition or anything like that, then make sure you are reducing your dairy intake. Just because dairy products disrupt your body's natural insulin levels. So this increase can lead to inflammatory conditions and even skin barrier disruption. So we don't want to be doing that. So what we want to do is limit our dairy product intake. And if you have acne, please, I beg you, try this for 2 weeks. Just cut it cold turkey. It's easier to cut it cold turkey than just have a little bit, because once you have a little bit, you're like, oh, I want a little bit more. I want a little bit more. And then it just ends up being a lot. So just cut it cold turkey for 2 weeks and you'll see the difference in your skin. Also, if you have skin conditions, I would say stay away from whey protein. It's better to go and try a vegan protein, just because this will also cause inflammation in the skin just because of the leucine that is in those products. So these heightened levels of the amino acid leucine can also trigger acne. So I would definitely say stay away from whey protein and try to find a vegan protein that suits you. Number 19 is following a diet that has a high levels of protein in it, because when you are not eating enough protein, you're going to be tired all the time. You're not going to have the energy that is required for your body to do its normal functioning, for you to have that strong luscious hair, for you to have stronger nails, for you to just have a strong body in general. So make sure you are incorporating protein into your diet, because your body will not have those amino acid building blocks for the production of the elastin, the keratin, the collagen, keratin, which are needed for your skin, your bones, your hair, your nails, everything. So make sure you are incorporating enough protein into your diet. And last but not least, number 20, and that is practice gratitude and pray. Pray to whoever you want, whoever your God is. I do not care. I do not discriminate here, but practice gratitude and just pray and be thankful to God, to the universe, to whoever God is to you. I do not care, okay? Because when you are grateful, you just feel so much happier inside that it just glows on the outside. Nothing can beat the beauty of someone who is so happy and so in love with life. Literally, you cannot beat that beauty. No matter how many beauty products you stick on your face, no matter how many injections you get, no matter how much you do to yourself, if you are unhappy with your life and just the world around you and don't see the beauty in it, it will reflect outside. So no matter how many procedures you do, how many bottles of skincare products you buy, nothing will make you more beautiful than you actually being in love with yourself and in love with life, because what you feel inside is reflected outside, as I always say. So once you see the beauty and the love in the life around you and the nature around you and just people around you, you'll be glowing like a beam of light, just because you are so in love with yourself inside. Because once you love yourself inside, that is when it will reflect outside, because when you love yourself, you can see the love and the light and the happiness in other people. And when you resent yourself and you're not happy with yourself and you're not happy with the life you are living, because you have made a prison inside of yourself, that is what will reflect outside, and that will show as well. So if you want to be beautiful, make sure you're grateful. Take some time out in your day to be grateful to God or to the universe, whoever you believe in. Just be grateful for everything you have, because you can be grateful for something today. You have a phone today that you're watching me on. You should be grateful for the roof over your head, for the food in your house, for just breathing, for having another opportunity just to be better and just to better yourself. So there's always a reason to be grateful. So make sure you take some time out to practice gratitude, because this will really change your brain chemistry and you will just feel the difference in no time. Well, that's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, leave a heart emoji of your favorite color down below. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one.